Hey, what's up everybody? Glenn from Xbox Gaming, and today we have a brand new unboxing video for you. It's been a while since we had an unboxing video, but a few weeks back we received an email from Turtle Beach. They were releasing a new product and we automatically responded, of course, that we would like to know what it is. Apparently it was a headset, and I got a really big box today with the mail. Turtle Beach, Europe, shipping to me, and it's for Xbox. So Master Chief right here is gonna guide us with opening this box to see what's inside it. Good job, Chief. Let's lay him aside. Oh yeah. Oh my god, guys. You probably already know what it is when I tell you it's a headset and brand new. It's the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Max Gen 2. Which should be compatible not just only with Xbox but also other devices. It has a dongle, apparently, wireless multi-platform gaming headset, 40 plus hours battery, which is a lot if you consider when you game much. It's also compatible for PlayStation, it says, PC and Nintendo. So let's open it up. I was make a little dent here because those stickers never seem to work for me. Here, everything, defeat everyone. Here on the back you can also see with the dongle and the design, it's nice and black. Has some nano clear speakers, 50 millimeters. Oh, it's a folding box, just like the Xbox. Nice. And here it is. It's a premium looking headset. Holy shit. This looks very good. Nice. So I wonder what is left and what is right. It doesn't say. I guess like this. Yeah, this should be it. Here inside you can already see the speakers I was talking about, and it has a volume button and probably here for chat volume like the others, mode, power button, a sync button. Let me see, where's the dongle? It should be inside somewhere. I feel something rumbling inside. Here's a USB cable, USB-C that is. USB-A to USB-C. And here it is, the wireless transmitter. Oh, it's very tiny. Really tiny. This is the transmitter, USB. Especially for, oh here, you can even use it as an USB dongle for PC. And you can switch to Xbox, which is selected now, and here on the other side is USB. Just unwrap this. Feels like Christmas. There's nothing more inside here, so I'm gonna lay that aside. This is probably for updating it. Let's put it in the Xbox. Okay. The light is red now, so probably I gotta hit the pair button. It's on. Oh, you hear the sound? Boo, boo, boo. I probably gotta read the manual first. Oh, now I turn Bluetooth off, it says. Now it's on. Does it have? The light is constantly green, so I'm just gonna test it out on the Xbox if I can hear it. Oh, it fits really well. Oh yeah, it works. Oh man. Sound is really great. I'm gonna start up a game real quick to see how it sounds. Just gotta pick Chernobylite since it's the last game I played. Okay. That sounds really good. I'm gonna see the mode button. Probably says here in the manual what every mode is. Attention. Questions or setup issues. Nice sticker inside. Oh wow. Oh, by default it has superhuman hearing. Okay. And it has signature sound, bass boost, bass plus treble boost, and vocal boost. Okay, and you can even make custom equalizer presets through the app on PC. Okay, nice. So overall this feels really good. This is leather or fake leather, this as well. The inside of the cushions is some kind of fabric. Here I'll show you from close by. As you can see here, these are 50mm speakers inside the ear cushions. And I like how the design is that you can see right through them. And here you have the extendable microphone arm, which is of hard plastic. Folds really nice. And here are all the buttons. You have the... I gotta calibrate the lens, hold on. Yeah, here it is. I have the volume button, the voice chat button, mode button, power button, and the Bluetooth sync and a USB-C port. And here the headrest is extendable. It's a nice thin aluminum. So I think that gave a pretty good impression of the Stealth 700 Max Gen 2, of what the box contains, that is. A more detailed view on what this thing can do and how it sounds will follow in a review video. So for now you just have to wait and like this video, subscribe, and of course we will see you at the next video. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.